Welcome to Trojan Battery's product training for the industrial battery line. This training will talk about Trojan Battery Company, batteries for renewable energy applications, and the features and benefits of Trojan's industrial line of flooded deep cycle batteries. For more than 85 years, Trojan Battery Company has been focused on developing the highest quality deep cycle batteries in the industry. Over the years, we've learned that a truly outstanding battery must provide rugged durability, long life, and consistent performance day in and day out. As the world's leading supplier of deep cycle batteries, we understand that reliability means everything. That is why we continue to offer the broadest portfolio of high-quality deep cycle flooded, AGM, and gel batteries available for a wide range of renewable energy and backup power applications. Battery-based renewable energy applications operate under challenging conditions with fluctuating and extreme temperatures, remote locations, and the intermittent nature of solar and wind power generation. These applications have unique battery requirements since ambient temperatures, charge and discharge rates, and depths of discharge are not consistent from day to day like in many other battery applications. Trojan Battery has designed its industrial line of batteries so that they achieve optimal performance when they are used in renewable energy systems. Trojan's industrial line is a new addition to Trojan's lineage of high-quality flooded deep cycle batteries. The industrial line is designed for 1,500 cycles at 80% depth of discharge and is engineered specifically for renewable energy systems with large daily loads where the batteries are cycled regularly. These high amp-hour capacity batteries come in 5 sizes: 445 amp-hours at 6 volts, 673 amp-hours at 6 volts, 897 amp-hours at 6 volts, 1,233 amp-hours at 4 volts, and 1,570 amp-hours at 4 volts, all at the C20 rate. Trojan's industrial line of batteries are ideal for use in large off-grid photovoltaic systems, off-grid hybrid PV systems, large grid backup systems, and a variety of other applications. There are many places where using the industrial line makes sense, but here are a few examples. A mini-grid or microgrid installed in a rural village in Tanzania, a grid backup system on a house in the Dominican Republic, a large off-grid cabin in California, a telecom network base station in India, a peak shaving application in a commercial building in New Jersey, a large off-grid hybrid system on a hospital in Haiti. Although the industrial line was developed for the renewable energy marketplace, these batteries are also suitable for use in grid backup systems, industrial stationary applications, locomotive applications, and some motive power and marine applications. Tested to meet industry standards, the industrial line features advanced battery technologies including the following features and benefits we will go over now in more detail. Dual container protection, wide tray stability control, alpha paste with T2 technology, DuraGrid technology, unique moss shield, Trojan 5-part fold wrapping system, MaxGuard XL separator, high cell bridge, wide plate high water capacity. Trojan's industrial line of flooded batteries is comprised of individual 2-volt cells bundled in a secondary containment case to form single high-capacity 6-volt and 4-volt battery units. The removable 2-volt cells are easier to maintain and replace, while the combined insulation of the dual container construction provides added protection against extreme temperatures. The 2-volt cells should only be removed by a qualified battery professional. Components of the individual cells are assembled in a rugged injection-molded polypropylene housing jar designed to protect the internal plates from potential damage that may be caused during transport and installation. The jar and injection-molded cover are hermetically sealed to form a permanent leak-free union between the cover and the jar of the cell. The cell is banded at multiple locations to maintain cell compression. The 2-volt cells are enclosed in a larger polyethylene outer case that protects against damage caused by harsh environmental conditions such as moisture and dirt buildup. The outer case also acts as a safeguard against potential acid leaks. For added protection, the thick-walled case features a lattice design that reinforces the outer case's structural integrity. The cells are shim-packed in the outer container to assure that they are properly compressed and supported to ensure long cell life. The top cover and vent tube are sealed to keep dirt and water out of the secondary container. This reduces the possibility of electrical tracking between cells and prevents contamination from entering the cell during maintenance and service. Trojan designed its industrial line of batteries with stability in mind. Featuring a lower battery profile and wider stance design, weight is evenly distributed throughout the battery. By creating a wider, lower center of gravity, the battery profile enhances overall stability. Molded into the case design are dual handles or lifting brackets that enable easy movement during transport and installation. Trojan's Alpha Plus paste is a proprietary high-density paste formulation engineered to deliver outstanding battery performance. This high-density paste optimizes porosity development in the active material more effectively, resulting in sustained battery performance over a longer period of time. Trojan's T2 technology features a patent-pending formula which is incorporated into Trojan's Alpha Plus paste, along with unique paste processing, special binders, plate paste addition, and unique curing techniques. These agents and techniques further strengthen the electrochemical processing capabilities of the paste. Together, Alpha Plus paste with T2 technology increase both sustained capacity and total overall ampere hours, resulting in more operating power. It's a key reason why Trojan batteries consistently outperform and deliver more cycles than the competition. Exclusive to Trojan's industrial line is a low-profile wide surface area grid configuration that is optimized to enhance current flow throughout the grid network. This low-profile configuration maximizes the amount of electrolyte flow, resulting in reduced maintenance due to longer intervals between watering. Trojan's DuraGrid technology is an innovative grid design specifically engineered for the longer life requirements of demanding renewable energy applications. DuraGrid features a thick grid structure which maintains greater corrosive resistance, effectively increasing the life of the battery for up to 20 years. The use of a unique grid alloy provides excellent corrosion resistance and overall strength, while offering low resistance with excellent recharge characteristics. The negative alloy reduces gassing and water loss, making maintenance easier. Both of these unique tertiary alloys perform very well at partial state of charge that often occurs in renewable energy applications. The Moss Shield, also known as a separator guard or Moss Guard, is a molded polypropylene shield that fits over the top of the separators. It has fingers that extend from each end of the shield and go in between the plate lugs and the straps. These fingers help extend the life of the battery and prevent buildup of any moss or shed material on the top of the cell, preventing shorts. The center portion of the shield is perforated to promote the flow of electrolyte and gas to the top of the cell. Additionally, the shield provides two desired battery life enhancements. It protects the top of the separators if a hydrometer is used to check the specific gravity of the cell. It also protects the separators and tops of the plates while the cells are being refilled during water additions. There are vertical ribs on each end of the shield that fit under the strap, holding the shield down and preventing it from floating, which could result in a shorting of the battery. Trojan's industrial batteries are engineered with a robust positive plate construction that enhances overall performance. Trojan's DuraGrid technology, combined with Alpha Plus paste, securely locks the active materials to the grid with excellent adhesive strength. The pasting and curing creates a very strong cohesive bond of the active material, creating an exceptionally strong positive plate. This unique active material technology helps extend the battery life. The active material is mechanically secured with Trojan's 5-part fold wrapping and insulating system. The first part of this 5-part system is comprised of very fine 100+ fiber, multiple strand 30-wide fiberglass roving sheets vertically wrapped around the height of the plate and continuous on both sides. This fine glass-stranded roving sheet embeds itself into the surface of the positive active material. This roving adds strength to the active material to hold it in place and to act as a fine filter to retain any material that would loosen or slough off the plate surface. This heavy-stranded roving is bound to a 20 mil interwoven fiberglass backing mat, the second part of the system. This assembly is vertically wrapped around the plate surface, providing extra strength to hold the fibers in place. A second bonded-oriented 20 mil fiberglass mat is the third part of the system and is horizontally wrapped around the first two layers to act as a compression mat to hold these in place. This mat breaks up the gas bubbles as they are generated during charging, diffusing the bubble to create a more even flow within the cell, reducing the chance for stratification, while protecting the plate from washing on the surface and reducing gas entrapment that can cause performance to suffer. The entire mat is wrapped with edge-protecting Coroseal, the fourth part of the system. The Coroseal is heat bonded to form a tightly tensioned wrap around the plate. It is then bonded to the plastic boot to protect the bottom of the plate and to keep the Coroseal in place. The Coroseal has large surface openings to enhance performance by not restricting acid flow and proper diffusion of gas bubbles during recharge. Exclusively available in Trojan's industrial and premium batteries is the MaxGuard XL Silica Polyethylene Wide Body Separator, the fifth part of the system. Featuring a multi-channel design and unique rib configuration, the thick-backed web polyethylene MaxGuard XL separator increases acid flow for optimum battery performance and provides even greater resistance to stratification, which is a typical mode of failure in batteries used in renewable energy systems. The unique rib shape and spacing offer the optimum compressive force to the glass mat system, ensuring the maximum life of the cell. 30% thicker than our standard flooded battery separators, the MaxGuard XL separator includes anti-corrosion, antioxidant agents that increase the life of the separator to match the increased life of the plates, delivering a long life system. Every component of the advanced plate construction works together to protect against shedding, promote long life, and assure the peak electrochemical performance of the battery's active materials. Overall, the reinforced protection wrap helps strengthen the plates, which extends the battery life and enhances the battery's overall performance. In Trojan's industrial line, the entire cell assembly is sitting on a very high bridge in the bottom of the jar. This bridge keeps the cells from the bottom of the jar, which helps to promote acid flow and reduce stratification. The extra space allows for more material to settle to the bottom of the jar through many years of use and allows for an even longer life with the other protection factors designed into the battery. Trojan's industrial line of flooded deep cycle batteries is designed with a plate that is wider than most of the competition. This wider plate design allows more surface area to react in the cell and keeps the internal resistance low, particularly important for recharge. A wide plate design means a tall neck on the primary cover, which reduces the electrolyte splatters caused by gassing to enter the vent cap and keeps the top of the cell and the battery cleaner. The plate is shorter in the cell while still meeting industry standards, allowing for more electrolyte over the tops of the plates. This design reduces stratification since there is better stirring of the acid during recharge and allows for longer time intervals between watering and maintenance. Trojan's industrial line of flooded deep cycle batteries include many unique features that make them ideal for renewable energy applications. Dual container protection, eliminating the need for an extra retainer for electrolyte spillage should any spillage occur. Stability control, through a lower battery profile and wider stance design, keeps weight evenly distributed throughout the battery. 1,500 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. Trojan's proprietary Alpha Plus with T2 technology high-density paste gives the industrial line an excellent cycling life. Excellent grid corrosion life. Trojan's DuraGrid technology grid design increases corrosion resistance of the grid, extending the battery life. A full-length moss shield protects the separators, prevents shorts, and extends the life of the battery. Excellent stratification control. Trojan's 5-part plate insulation system increases acid flow for optimum battery performance and provides greater resistance to stratification. Excellent shorting resistance. Trojan's separator guard insulates the buildup of any moss or shedding material on the top of the cell from shorting out of the top of the plates with a strap. A high cell bridge helps to promote acid flow and isolate the plates from possible mud accumulation over a long life. A larger electrolyte reservoir allows for longer intervals between watering and maintenance. A wide amp-hour range from 402 amp-hours to 1,409 amp-hours at C10. All of these features make Trojan's industrial line of deep cycle flooded batteries the optimum choice for your renewable energy system. Trojan's unique battery design provides you with a durable and reliable energy storage solution from the leader in the deep cycle battery industry. For more information about our industrial line or our other deep cycle flooded AGM or gel batteries, please visit our website www.trojanbatteryre.com.